Welcome back to your weekly dose of Aviation Unscripted. Watch this simulated engine-off landing as the pilot performs a 180-degree full-down auto-rotation. This Delta A321neo executes a go-around at San Diego after an unstable approach left insufficient runway margin for landing.
Oh, look at these wake vortices. Lovely. Magical. Yeah, Rainy Cajun, the only thing we would need is like a battery box, because I cannot...
This Singapore Airlines 777-300 generates stunning wake turbulence and visible wingtip vortices trailing through the sky. This A321neo applies TOGA thrust following a rough approach and tail strike. Notice the paint dust and tail vibration.
Yeah, he's got that. Easy, 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 easy! Oh my God! Chili!
This Saudia 777-300 performs a delayed takeoff on runway 27R at London Heathrow, using near full runway length and max thrust for rotation. Watch this Airbus A330 navigate a foggy, low-visibility landing at Milan Malpensa from the cockpit view.
Minimum.
Continue.
FedEx 523 ready for departure, next inbound 10 miles from Panama.
100.
30 seconds on the runway for a run-up.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more. See you next time.